Okay, today I want to demonstrate something I learned about the SIL converters. SIL Converters is a product that SIL provides that enables you to change text from one script to another, one encoding point to another. And one instance that I currently was using is to go from non-Unicode to Unicode. This is the website. You can get it, software.sil.org/SIL Converters. That'll be in the notes in the Google thing. You can go to downloads and download it. One of the things that the Converters does is it installs a plugin, and I'm going to use the plugin to convert some of the text here. What I recently learned was that you can actually use this in Excel. I knew it existed and worked in Word, and there's even a bulk word converter, but I didn't know that it worked in Excel. And the data that we're working on here is actually survey data in the Lahu language. And this was done way before Unicode. So you can see that there's a bunch of crazy scripts. This, if I go to home, you can see that this is SIL Dulos IPA 9193. You pick a font, Cambry, that's something different. You change it to Dulos IPA, and that works. If you change it to so if you change the font, you're going to see different things. That's one way you can know that it is a non-Unicode. Excel and some programs have what they call font fallback, and if they can't find the glyph in the font that you picked, it will go find it somewhere else, or it will show the square, like sometimes referred to as the tofu box, saying, hey, I can't find it. So what we need to do is really rather simple. Now that I know how to do it, you highlight the text, and this over here is Latin, it's in English. I'm going to highlight the text, go to SIL Converters, convert selected, and I actually have the right screen. That's great. So I'm going to scroll down here. This is Windows to Unicode. This is Latin. Hit the OK button. And of course, it'll bring over here. This is changing the ASCII font, ASCII code point to Unicode. I'm going to click Replace All. And then you need to wait for it to work. And that could take a minute. I will fast forward this part in the YouTube video. Okay, now I'm going to highlight the column, or the row rather. These are all Latin, so I do the same thing. Converter selection, scroll down to the to Unicode. Okay. And again, same thing, replace all. Okay, that was pretty quick. So now I'm going to highlight the next body of text. I'm using this entire word list sheet as an example, but I'll do this for the same process for all of the sheets. I'm going to go down to the bottom cell. I'll highlight at the top left. I'm going to go to the bottom right, highlight. I'm going to go back to home, change the Dulos IPA. You can see that it's changed to an IPA. I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom right. It's still all highlighted, selected, so you can see how this works. Now I'm going to go to SIL Converters, Converter Selection. I happen to know in this one, this is a converter that SIL's created a while ago. It's SIL IPA 93 to Unicode. Okay, and I'm going to click Replace All. And this will take a while. But, and if I go to Home, Save, and then I would need to confirm with the person who wants the data converted that this is looking right. But that's pretty much all there is to it.